What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're cutting through the noise to discuss a concept every firearm owner, from novice to expert, deeply values: unwavering reliability. We're not talking about just any pistol. We're talking about the absolute workhorses of the handgun world. These are the firearms that define endurance, consistent performance, and steadfast trustworthiness, earning their place not just on the range, but in the hands of professionals and civilians who stake their lives on their gear. A true workhorse handgun is more than just a tool that goes bang. It's a meticulously engineered system, boasting legendary metallurgy, robust construction, and an ergonomic design that makes it intuitive to operate under any stress. These are the sidearms that have proven their mettle across decades of service, enduring the brutal realities of military deployments in arid deserts and frozen tundras, surviving the daily grind of law enforcement patrols, and providing peace of mind for countless citizens seeking self-defense. Their widespread adoption isn't accidental. It's a testament to their inherent quality, translating into unparalleled aftermarket support, readily available parts, and a global community of owners who swear by their unflappable performance. When you invest in one of these, buyer's remorse simply isn't an option. You gain the quiet confidence that comes from owning a firearm renowned for its consistent function, regardless of conditions or round count. Today, we're not just listing popular pistols. We're unveiling the top 4 handguns that have transcended mere popularity to become true legends of reliability. We're counting them down from number 4 to the undisputed champion, each one a testament to engineering excellence and battlefield resilience. By the time we wrap up this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of which handguns genuinely embody the pinnacle of reliability and why. This insight will equip you to make an informed decision, ensuring your hard-earned money is invested in a defensive tool that will never let you down. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for our number 1 pick. This isn't just a highly rated pistol. It's a living legend that has not only survived, but dominated brutal torture tests. Trials designed to completely disable lesser firearms in minutes, exposing them to mud, sand, water, and extreme temperatures. This ultimate standard for defensive carry has earned its spot through sheer, unyielding performance. Prepare to discover the titans of the handgun world. Now, let's clarify our selection criteria. Forget glossy brochures, slick marketing, or inflated corporate spec sheets. Those sell products. They don't always reveal true resilience. Our methodology stems from something far more critical: real-world performance data, meticulously gathered over decades from those demanding unwavering reliability. We're not examining theoretical numbers or sterile lab conditions. Our focus is on the brutal realities of continuous, high-volume firearm use. Our criteria weigh heavily on the aggregate experiences of law enforcement, military, competitive shooters, and instructors. Individuals routinely putting tens, even hundreds of thousands of rounds through their sidearms annually. These aren't casual range days. These are scenarios where failure isn't an option, pushing weapons to their limits in diverse environments: scorching deserts, freezing tundras, dusty ranges, muddy training grounds. What data? Countless maintenance logs, detailed round counts, documented malfunction rates under varying conditions, and critical feedback from professionals whose lives depended on these pistols. This isn't about new features or aesthetics. It's about the fundamental, unflappable ability to go bang every single time, without question. It's about longevity, wear resistance, and consistent functionality even when dirty, dry, or exposed to adverse elements. We prioritize firearms that perform flawlessly when neglected, abused, and pushed far beyond typical expectations. For any shooter, especially beginners, this distinction is paramount. When investing in a defensive tool, you must cut through marketing hype. You need a pistol that earned its reputation through sheer grit and unwavering functionality in the most demanding scenarios. This selection ensures every handgun on our list isn't just popular. It's a proven survivor, a true workhorse, vetted by the ultimate test. Flawless performance when everything's on the line. These won't let you down, offering the quiet confidence that only true reliability can provide. Number 4 on our list is the CZ75. a handgun that, for many outside competitive shooting or European law enforcement circles, remains an understated masterpiece. Yet, for those who understand its capabilities, it's nothing short of a revelation. The CZ75's ergonomics are not just good, they are universally acclaimed as legendary. From the moment your hand closes around its grip, it feels less like a manufactured tool and more like a custom-molded extension of your own anatomy. This isn't accidental. A generously proportioned beaver tail and meticulously contoured grip allow an exceptionally high hand placement on the frame, resulting in a remarkably low bore axis. For beginners, this translates directly into unparalleled recoil management. The natural pointability and minimal muzzle flip mean easier follow-up shots and greater confidence, making it an ideal platform for developing fundamental shooting skills. Further contributing to this exceptional control is its solid steel frame. The sheer physical mass of steel inherently dampens the sharp snap of cartridges, absorbing recoil far more effectively than lighter polymer alternatives, while also providing a ruggedness that promises decades of use. But the true mechanical genius lies in its unique inverted rail design. Unlike most semi-automatics, where the slide rides over the frame rails, the CZ75's slide rides inside them. This unique configuration creates an incredibly tight bank vault lockup between the slide and frame, leading to exceptional accuracy and a buttery smooth, consistent cyclic action. This robust design is the secret behind its notorious reliability. It's not uncommon to witness CZ75s devouring thousands of rounds of the cheapest, dirtiest steel-cased ammunition without a single malfunction. Whether you're feeding it premium defensive rounds or bulk range fodder, the CZ75 simply runs, a testament to its origins as a battle-proven military and police service weapon that later dominated the unforgiving world of competitive shooting. If a pistol can survive the brutal round counts and varied conditions of a Grandmaster competition season, it will effortlessly handle your weekend range sessions and critical defensive needs. This all-steel construction provides a level of ruggedness and longevity modern polymer guns struggle to match. The running joke amongst enthusiasts is that the CZ75's only flaw is its addictiveness. Owning one often leads to acquiring several variations. It's an heirloom-quality defensive tool, promising unwavering performance for generations, a true testament to engineering excellence that delivers quiet confidence when it matters most. For decades, the Beretta 92FS stood as the primary issued sidearm for the United States Armed Forces, an endorsement carrying immense weight and signifying unwavering trust. Imagine the sheer gravity of that statement. This pistol rode in the holsters of our service members across the globe's most unforgiving battlefields, from the fine scorching sands of Iraq to the freezing elevations of Afghanistan. If any fatal flaw existed, the military's rigorous trial process would have exposed it decades ago. Its signature open slide isn't a stylistic choice, but a brilliant engineering solution designed to maximize ejection clearance, drastically reducing the chances of a catastrophic stovepipe malfunction. With so much open real estate, it's almost impossible for a spent casing to get trapped, ensuring the gun keeps running under the most intense stress. The slide action itself is notoriously smooth, often described as wet glass, a testament to its precise machining. During Department of Defense trials, these pistols famously endured tens of thousands of rounds without a single drop of lubrication or cleaning, a stark demonstration of its inherent operational overhead and ruggedness. While responsible gun ownership demands regular cleaning, knowing your defensive tool possesses that kind of raw, unyielding reliability is a massive confidence booster. On the firing line, it's an absolute pleasure to operate. While its grip circumference is substantial, it offers an expansive surface area for a rock-solid master grip, and the aluminum alloy frame ensures perfect balance, allowing the muzzle to settle back swiftly for rapid follow-up shots. The combination of a heavy double-action first pull and a crisp single-action second shot, though requiring practice, provides undeniable combat effectiveness. Though occasionally criticized for its weight hindering concealed carry, or its slide-mounted safety, these minor points fade when considering its core mission: delivering a definitive bang under extreme pressure without fail. When everything is on the line, the Beretta 92 FS will never leave you hanging. Number 2. The Sig Sauer P226, apex predator of the tactical world. From the battle-proven reliability of the Beretta, we ascend to number 2, introducing the Sig Sauer P226, not merely a workhorse, but the undisputed apex predator of the tactical firearms world. Its legend was forged in the crucible of the most demanding trials imaginable, specifically when the elite U.S. Navy SEALs sought a new sidearm. The P226 didn't just pass these ungodly torture tests designed to break lesser firearms, it dominated them. When Tier 1 operators, whose lives depend on their equipment, choose a specific platform, the civilian market takes notice with bated breath. Consider one of the most famous endurance tests in firearms history. A P226 test sample devoured over 228,000 rounds, not just surviving, but utterly humiliating its competition to be certified as the single most reliable service pistol in the entire lineup. Investing in a P226 means acquiring a precision-machined instrument, optimized for the absolute worst-case scenarios. The moment you grasp it, the build quality is undeniable. Every pin, spring, and control lever feels intentionally overbuilt, designed for unwavering performance under duress. This heavy, full-size 9mm pistol completely tames felt recoil, its robust metal frame acting as a natural shock absorber, keeping your red dot or iron sights steadfastly pinned to the target. For those fortunate enough to experience a model equipped with the legendary short reset trigger, a revelation awaits. That trigger break is glass rod crisp, and the reset is so short and tactile that it allows for warp speed follow-up shots, transforming even a novice into a more proficient shooter. Mechanical accuracy is phenomenal, a direct result of the incredibly tight tolerances between the barrel and slide. The operational reliability of the P226 is almost boring in its predictability. I've spoken with operators who have carried the same P226 for 2 decades, pushing mountains of lead downrange without ever needing to swap a single extractor or recoil spring. It simply does not care if you run it completely bone dry or soaking wet with oil. From cheap practice ball ammo to premium jacketed hollow points, it cycles everything violently and consistently without a single hiccup. This is a true legacy firearm, built like an absolute tank, offering a level of confidence few others can match. Number 1. The Glock 19, king of reliability. We've journeyed through titans of reliability, from the Beretta's unwavering service to the Sig Sauer's apex predator status. But now, we arrive at the pinnacle, the undisputed champion, the firearm that, despite its unassuming exterior, utterly dominates the global stage. The Glock 19. If you're expecting a sculpted masterpiece of aerospace engineering, prepare for a surprise. This isn't a showpiece, it's a tool. A polymer brick, some might call it, devoid of sweeping lines or traditional elegance. Yet, peel back that utilitarian facade, and you uncover the DNA of a legend. A design so robust, so fundamentally sound, that it has become the most heavily carried, widely issued, and universally recognized sidearm on the planet. The Glock 19 didn't just set the standard for defensive reliability. It rewrote the entire playbook. Its genius lies in ruthless simplicity. Comprising a mere 34 individual parts, it operates on a striker-fired system so relentlessly perfected over generations that catastrophic failure becomes an almost theoretical concept. Fewer moving parts translate directly into a drastically lower probability of breakdown when your life depends on it. Bury it in a muddy trench, submerge it in brackish swamp water, kick it down a gravel road, or leave it baking for hours in a hot truck. Then pick it up, press that trigger, and a round will fly true. Every single time. This isn't hyperbole. It's the proven, unyielding reality of the Glock 19. Its profound connection with the American gun owner stems from its sheer, uncompromised versatility. It occupies that perfect Goldilocks zone. Compact enough for effortless concealed carry under a simple t-shirt, yet it still boasts a flush-fit 15-round capacity, providing ample deterrence. The grip length is meticulously designed to offer absolute control, even during rapid-fire strings, ensuring precision when it matters most. Think of it as the Honda Civic of the tactical world. It might not garner envious stares like a custom race gun, but it starts flawlessly every single time, without fuss or drama. When selecting the primary tool for your family's defense, that track record, often summarized by owners as, "I've carried it for a decade, and it's literally never jammed," is the only metric that truly holds weight. And for those who crave customization, the aftermarket ecosystem is an absolute juggernaut, allowing you to transform virtually every component. But even straight out of the box, in its factory configuration, the Glock 19 is exactly what it needs to be: rugged, utilitarian, and utterly indispensable. Conclusion: no buyer's remorse. We've journeyed through the crucible of combat, the proving grounds of law enforcement, and the unforgiving demands of personal defense to uncover the absolute titans of reliability. From the refined, duty-proven pedigree of the Beretta and Sig Sauer to the surgical precision and legendary feel of the CZ75, and finally, the utterly relentless, unyielding simplicity of the Glock 19. What we've unveiled here isn't just a list, it's a blueprint for absolute confidence. These aren't merely firearms. They are the benchmarks against which all others are measured, platforms that completely eliminate the risk of buyer's remorse. Consider the Beretta 92 FS, a firearm that has proudly served militaries worldwide, a testament to its robust design and unwavering performance under the most grueling conditions. Then there's the Sig Sauer P226, often hailed as the Rolls-Royce of duty pistols, offering a blend of exquisite craftsmanship and battlefield-proven reliability. The CZ75, with its deep-set slide and ergonomic grip, offers an almost intuitive shooting experience, guiding your hand to surgical precision. And finally, the Glock 19, the ubiquitous polymer workhorse that has redefined what we expect from a defensive handgun, a testament to brutal simplicity and unflinching reliability. You cannot make a bad choice among these. Whether you prioritize the elegant engineering of a Sig, the classic lines and proven track record of a Beretta, the unparalleled ergonomics of the CZ75, or the brick-like, bomb-proof durability of the Glock 19, each represents the pinnacle of its design philosophy. This isn't about fleeting trends or marketing hype. It's about investing in peace of mind, in a tool that will consistently perform when literally everything is on the line. If you are in the market to upgrade your daily carry, expand your home defense capabilities, or simply add a supremely reliable piece to your range lineup, any one of these four will serve you flawlessly, year after year, shot after shot. If this deep dive into foundational firearms has armed you with the knowledge to make an informed decision, to finally conquer that nagging doubt about which firearm truly stands above the rest, then do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more no-nonsense real-world firearms talk, and drop a comment below letting me know which of these legendary platforms is sitting in your safe right now, or which one you're eyeing next. Train hard, stay safe, and I will see you guys on the next one.